Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create this beautiful hero section in your homepage, like how to add this header and how to add this text editor. And here you can see I have added like 3 buttons like project manager, get started and team leader, and I have changed these positions, buttons positions, and I have added these icons, arrow icons, and I have added this image, the star rating, and this again by project managers and team leaders. So I will show you how to create this beautiful hero section in your website. Okay, you can create this type of hero section by using your own content. By using ChatGPT, you can modify your content as per your business requirements. Okay, so first let me create one page. Let me go to backend and let me click on this add page, and here let me add page name as hero section. So after adding hero section text, click on this publish option, and now click on this edit with Elementor. We are going to design this hero section in Elementor page builder by using Elementor page builder. And here let's add one container, okay, single container, and inside this main container we will add another mini sub container, okay, one sub container. Here let's select this structure option, and this is a main container M1 and this is a sub container S1. Okay, in this sub container, here you can see first we are having this heading element. So let me add this heading element. Let me click on this add element and let me add this heading element first, and let's change this text of this heading element. Let me add this content like work smarter, collaborate better, and deliver faster. Go to style and let's change the color of this text. Let me select this blue color text, and let me increase the size of this text size, this heading text size. Let me increase the size to, it should be visible in like 3 columns. Okay, if I close this, it will look like this. Okay, now let's change the alignment to the center. Okay, and it will show like work better, collaborate better, and deliver faster. Okay, so let's see in like the text should be visible in 2 lines. Okay, so here yeah, it will be shown in 2 lines. Okay, let me decrease the weight of this text. Let me decrease the weight of this text to like 600. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Okay, and next let's add this text editor. So let me select the text editor element, click on add element, and here this is the text editor element. Let me drag and drop it over here, and let me replace this text. Let me replace this text with this text. Let me add this text. Okay, and now let's go to style option. Let me align it into center. Okay, now I want to add padding because on the right side and the left side for this. Okay, and here let me add, this is a spacing, let me add spacing as 18 pixels, and let's add padding on right side and the left side. Okay, or else we can also add margin. I will add margin of 200 pixels on the right side and also 200 pixels on the left side and the right side, so it will be visible in 2 lines. Okay, let me click on this publish option. If you want to preview the changes, you can click on this preview changes. You can check how it is looking. Okay, that's how it will look. Okay, before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. And now here in this you can also add like a text shadow. Let me select this text shadow, and you can also add text shadow as, let me decrease the blur amount, and here let me add text shadow. Let me increase the transparency, and the color should be here black color, and here we will add a horizontal position, increase the horizontal size to 2 and vertical size also 2. Okay, or else you can add like a horizontal size as 1 and vertical size also 1 pixels. Okay, that's enough. Click on publish. Okay, so here in the background it will have like black color background. It will look more professional. Okay, and now let's add this let's add another sub container to add this button elements. Okay, let me click on add element, and here below this text editor we will add another container, sub container. Okay, and we will name this as mini sub container ms1. Okay, in this mini sub container we will add 3 more sub containers. So let me add sub container 1, and let me duplicate it 2 times, and this ms1 we are having 3 mini sub containers. This is a 1, and this is sub container 2, and this is sub container 3. Okay, now let me select this mini sub container 1, and let's change the direction to raw horizontal, so it will be aligned in raw horizontal format. Let me select this ms1, and it should be in full width. And also let's go to advanced option, and let me add padding as 0. Okay, and also please do select this first sub container, and it should be in also content width should be in full width, and go to advanced option, padding should be 0, and also similarly let me copy it and let me paste style to remaining sub containers too. So it should have 0 padding for 3 sub containers. Okay, now I have selected ms1 like mini sub container 1. In this mini sub container 1 we are having another sub container 1. So in this sub container we will add this two buttons like project manager and get started button. Okay, let me copy this. Let me click on this add element and select this button element, drag and drop it over here. Okay, and also duplicate this button. Before that, we will add like text as project manager. Like here I will add text as project manager. You can link it to any of the pages in your website, like to the services page or contact page, or else you can add their profile links also, social profile links in this link area. Okay, let's go to the style option, and here you can see it is having red color background. Let me select this text color as white color. It should be white color, and let me select the gradient background. Here you need to select the gradient background type as gradient, and please do select the primary color as, let me select this color option. Let me add red color primary color, and let me add secondary color as orange. Let me drag and drop it here. Let's add secondary color as orange, and here I will change the angle to 90 degrees. Let me add 90 degrees like this. Okay, and on the right side it will be red color, on the left side it will be orange color. Okay, and we will add border radius as 36 pixels. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, here you can see. Okay, and now let me duplicate this button, and in this button section we will add like get started now button. Okay, so arrow also will be added here. So I added this text also, and here you can link this button to like contact page. Let me type contact. So here you can see this is a contact page link. I have linked this button to the contact page. Okay, let me select this project manager button, and whenever you hover on it, it should change to black color. Here you can see in the demo website it is changing to black color. Okay, so after adding normal background, let me click on this hover option, and here let me add text color as white color, and also background type you need to select gradient type. Let me add black, and let me add secondary color as light black color. It will be visible like this. Let's add angle as 90 degrees here also. Okay, and also now let me select this button, and here you can see it should be in gradient color background. So let me select this button color, go to style option, and here let me align it to right side. Okay, and here let me change the color to purple, and it should have light purple color. Okay, let me select this as blue color. On the primary color should be blue color, and secondary color should be light purple color. Okay, and let's add it should be in angle should be in 90 degrees. Okay, so whenever you hover on it, it should change to, again let me select text color as white color, and background color should be dark black, and secondary color should be light black color. Here it will be visible like this, and the angle also should be in 90 degrees. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Okay, click on publish, and in the middle we have added this text option, this image. I have created this image in Canva. Okay, you can also create this type of image in Canva using Canva. Let's go to Canva page, and here click on this custom size option. You need to select the width as like 400 pixels, and height should be like 100 pixels. Okay, and click on create new. So here you can select any type of you can design these type of images like this. Okay, so first let's go to this elements option, and in the elements I will type like student. Okay, let me type student, and let's go to this photos option. Here you can add the student images. There are many images available. Let me select these free images. Let's take these free images in Canva. I can use those free images. Okay, so this is a student image. Let me select the student image, and let's select 4 student images. Okay, and let's select one more student. Okay, so here I have selected like 4 images. Now let's go to this elements option. Here type circle, and we need like circle frame. Here you can see we are having many frames like this circle type frames. Let me select this circle frame, and here you can see let me drag this image into this. Okay, so let me adjust this image. Okay, so let me select this image, and let me increase the size of this image. Okay, and let me duplicate this image, and let's drag this image into this image, and let's adjust the position of this image. Okay, like this. Okay, and also let me duplicate another image, and let me drag and drop this image into this, and adjust the image position like this. Okay, let me duplicate once again, and here let me drag this image into this. Okay, and here we have added like this, and let me align this into center. We need to align like this. Okay, it should select this image and select the position option. It should go back. Okay, it should be aligned into the center, and it is also, let's select this image, and it should go back, align it into the center. It should be aligned it into the center. Okay, and this is also, let me select this and change the position to background. Okay, it should be aligned into center. Okay, like this. Let me select these 4 images, and we need to align these images into center. Okay, after designing this image, click on share option, click on download. Okay, and you need to download this image. Okay, after downloading this image, let's select this second container option, go to click on add element, and we need to add this image element, and let me click on choose element, choose image, and we need to upload that image what we have created in Canva. Click on select. here you can see it has been uploaded like this. Okay, let me select this second subcontainer and it should be aligned into center. Okay, so it will be aligned to center, or else you can align it to on top also. Let me select this first subcontainer. It should be aligned to top and it should be aligned to end. You can also decrease the size of this image. Let me select this image element, go to style option and decrease the width. Okay, width to 65 pixels and it should be aligned to end. Okay, let me select this subcontainer 1 and go to layouts option. Here delink this gaps should be 0. Okay, you can decrease the gaps between these elements. Okay, and now let me select this third subcontainer and here we will add this ratings option. Okay, let me click on this add element and here we will add like ratings. This is a ratings option. You need to drag and drop it in third subcontainer. Please do select this third subcontainer and you can add ratings as 5, 4 or 5 as per your requirement. Let me add ratings as 4. You can also select your own icon. You can select this. Let me type star and you are having like different icons in the icon library. Okay, as per now I am using these stars only. Okay, now let's go to style option and here you can increase the size of the stars as per your requirement. Let me add the size as 15 pixels and color should be blue color, or else you can change the color to red color as per your requirements. Let me change it to red. Okay, and unmarked color should be in light black color. Okay, like this. And below this I will add another heading element. Let me click on this add element, drag and drop this heading element below this star ratings. Let me add this text by project managers and team leaders. Let me add the text here and let me go to style option, click on this typography. Let me decrease the size of this text to 20 pixels. Let me decrease the weight of this text to 600 pixels. Okay, so it will show like this. Okay, let me click on publish and let's preview the changes, how it is looking like. So it will look like this. Okay, now let's add another button element. Okay, so let me copy this button element and let me paste this button element in third subcontainer. Okay, and let me change the text of this button element to team leader. Let me copy the text and here let me add this text as team leader. Okay, now let's change the color of this text. So let me change the color of this text button to orange color. Let me select this orange color button. Okay, and secondary color should be like little bit yellow. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Okay, and also we are having these icons, these arrow icons. Okay, let me click on this add element, type icon. Okay, here you will get single icon. Let me drag and drop this icon here. Go to icons library and type arrow. So here you can see we are having like different arrows are available over here. Let me select this icon, click on insert. Let me change the color of this icon to blue color, or else you can change this icon color to pink as per your requirements. Okay, now we need to change the position of these buttons. Okay, this button is adjusted on top and here you can see this arrow is adjusted on here below this heading, and here you can see we have to change the position of these buttons. Okay, in order to change the position of these buttons, first let me select this project manager button, go to advanced option. Here under the layout section you will get this position option. Select this absolute option. Okay, now we need to adjust it to top. Let me move it to top, further more top and onto the left side. Okay, and let me select this icon again, go to advanced option. We will change the position of this icon to top. Let me change the position to absolute, and again let me decrease the size of this icon. Okay, like this. Go to advanced option. Again we need to change the position offset, so we will change the position offset to here and it should be aligned to on right side like this. Okay, if I close this, here we can see the positions. Okay, let me select this mini subcontainer 1. We will add spacing between these two on top of this container. Let me select this container, go to margin, add top as 50 pixel spacing. Now let me select this project manager button, go to advanced option. This button should be aligned on here, so let me move this further little more. Okay, and let me select this button option, go to advanced option and click on margin, delink margin and add margin as 50 pixels. Okay, so if I close this, so it will be aligned like this. Okay, so like this we can create. This is a hero section. Okay, let me move this icon little more closer to this button. Okay, and little more up. Let me close it. Yeah, it will be visible like this. Okay, and now let me copy this button and let me add that button in this third subcontainer, paste it over here and let me click on this style option. We need to rotate this button arrow like this and let me go to advanced option. Let me change the position. Let me decrease it to little bit below. Now let me select this team leader button, go to advanced option. Again we will change the position of this button to absolute and it should be aligned to onto the right side, and let me increase the size onto the top and it should move further little more onto the right. Okay, let's see, increase little more onto the top. Okay, like this. So after making the changes, click on this publish option, click on preview changes. Here you can see, and let me change the color of this button arrow. Go to style and change the color of this arrow to like blue color or else green. Okay, click on publish. And here you can see we can design buttons like this. Okay, let me select this button and let me decrease the margin of this button. Okay, let me make it is as it is. Go to preview changes. Yeah, let me align this button to the center. Let me select this and go to this main first subcontainer and align it to center. Click on this publish option, click on preview changes. So here you can see we have successfully created this hero section like this. Okay, you need to change the alignments, okay, as per your requirements. Okay, and I will show you how, and I have created previous video how to add these gradient backgrounds. This vibrant gradient background on top, it is having like blue color, it is having pink color, and it is having green color. You can watch this tutorial in my video. Here you can see I have created like how to create vibrant gradient backgrounds. I have shown how to create these backgrounds in my YouTube channel. Please visit my YouTube channel and watch this video. Okay, so I have shown you like how to add these gradient backgrounds in the hero section. Okay, see you in next video.
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.